On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Happy Freaky Friday. Bitcoin dumping yet again. Coming into the day, Bitcoin ain't got no legs. Rolling over. It's Friday, baby. How we all doing? What's going on, chat? Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Let's jump into it. Sheesh. Bitcoin coming down, baby. What's going on, everybody? How we all doing? This is this looks ugly. Sweep of the lows right now. We'll see. Coming down quite violently right now. Support and resistance, hot dog zone. Sell wall is given in advance. Looking for Bitcoin to down we go. Where we stop, only Dusty knows. Happy Friday, though. How's it going, everybody? Hopefully we're all having a beautiful, beautiful morning on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think if you say it more times, it really emphasizes it, right? Oh, man. Good to see everybody here. Happy Friday. Okay, where are we going now? Well, I'd prefer to be short up here, obviously. But it's taking its sweet-ass time on VWAP here and then rolled over. So we are taking liquidity out of this low right now. So a little bit of patience, a little bit of patience. We'll see where we get to. Yeah, nasty rollover, though. Jeez. Pretty aggressive through here, coming and grabbing that liquidity and bouncing, but continuation very, very obvious right now. Golden pocket down here, unmitigated, so swing low to swing high. Could we come down? Absolutely. Okay. Very possible. And it does look like it's on its way. NASDAQ here, chop at the top. I mean, Bart Simpson-esque, really? Might need to come back down. I always say look for the ears, right? So we'll see where it gets to. NASDAQ, yeah. NASDAQ, ES. I mean, they're all a little bit overextended, a little bit excited yesterday. What? Some crazy volatility after I left yesterday. My God. Holy smokes. How's everybody doing? Good morning. How do I join the giveaways, gang? You just sign up and deposit with the Bitunix link. And we're doing $2,000 today. What's going on, Andy? How you doing, man? Good morning, George. Good morning, Yavir, Jax, Odyssey. How you doing, man? Slurp, Keen Bean, Andre. Good to see you guys. It's Friday, baby. Let's go. MR, good to see you, Mr. Hung, and Mr. Jim. How are we all doing? Two's in the chat if you are short right now. I mean, wasn't really a setup for me. I mean, breakdown. I was awake for this, but I was getting the stream ready. Jojo McCall, good to see you guys. Not an otter yet, but you can say I'm otter curious. Well, I mean, the otter gang is it's pretty incredible. We're doing 2 hours of live trading today after the live stream, and we always having a good time. Lots of stuff. I don't know. I feel like I don't need to really. The gang will tell you if you want to know how awesome it is. It's we do well. Yeah, this looks weak. Solana coming into to support. I've been trading mostly Solana. How about that Solana long yesterday, guys? Can I get a hoya? I'd say that's pretty good. Cha-ching is my Asian name. Cha-ching. And my God, what a level. Called the low of the day, man. The low of the day. Pretty awesome, right? I think that's why people come here, because, you know, the spoons are real, man. The spoons are real. Good to see you, Jackson Crawford. And Shri and Pandy. How you doing, man? Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Let's go, Ando. Good to see you, man. Ray. Good morning. Good to see you. Melissa, how you doing? How you doing, Melissa? Hopefully Melissa and Alexandra G, the ladies of the chat. Always coming through. Good morning, girls. Good to see you, Curtis Hill, Milan. Aaron. How you guys doing? Good morning. Eight breath. Good morning. You're always here too. Good to see you, man. We have an order block retest continuation down. First test is the best test. If we are going to push here, SFP of the low, right? SFP of the low into this block up here. I mean, we can pull it if you want. That's what he said. We can pull it if no Friday jokes like that. Come on, AlexOCrypto. What are we talking about here? You can pull it if you want. Don't be rude. Order block, tap, continuation. Yeah, that's available as well. Continuation down. Volume coming in, sweeping the low. I would say we're coming here right now. How we get in is, I would prefer it to pop back up, but I don't know if it is. It looks like it's just going to roll over right now, guys. We'll see. Curtis Hill, Guy, how you doing, man? Mr. Kemp, hell yeah, good to see you, man. Army Piper, Buck, Yavir, good to see you guys. Two's in the chat if you're short. Good job. Look at all these legends here. Yahoo! What's going on? Coming in, smashing likes, hanging out on a Friday. Good to see you guys. I made $2,000 yesterday. I made $2,000 and I ran. That's what I did yesterday. If you're wondering, counts at 40, almost 45, 44,600, couple thousand. I ain't forcing it after 2 red days, so I just took the green day and I didn't trade anymore. So happy days, man. Took the 2K and ran. Volume check. Are we good? We're good for volume, no? Dump is a punk ass. Yeah, I agree. DJ, good to see you. Javier. Rebellious, good morning. Good to see a decent crypto. Retail has no interest in crypto right now. The stock market, new high daily, is just too shiny. Yeah. Yeah, Micron and all that stuff. Decent crypto. Good to see you, man. STL coin, one love. D-Gens. I'm looking for a possible long around 73,245. That's pretty specific. Mojo Jojo. What's going on, Wagwan? Philly Skills, my man. Keen Bean, Mint. How you guys doing? Halfies? Good to see a gang. Rich. It would have been better to see those Sabres playing Carolina, man. What a gong show. Montreal's getting their asses whooped. Getting their asses whooped. Nice to see the Spurs win last night. I didn't watch the basketball game, but, anything to beat those OKC flopping and groping, diving losers, in my opinion. You're a grown-ass man and you flopping. You like 6'7" and you're everybody in the chat, if you were 6'7", what would you do? I'd just walk amongst the plebs, I'd just be like, how's it going down there? But these full-grown 6'7", 6'10" motherfuckers are flopping on the ground. What the? I don't get it. You're going to look back in your career history and show your grandkids your Game 7. And they'll go, Grandpa, why are you such a bitch? Right? No? All right. Oh, man. User, good to see a Keen Bean. El Candles, short, let's go. Cool Marge, Dusty, good to see a Sid Roth. Chocolate, good morning. Good to see a Wick 589. Hoya, is that Hoya? Is that what that XA thing is? Hoya. Good morning, Benny, mind mates, Chantel, I don't know how you put up with us, but we love you. Kevin, good to see you. She's probably, tougher than all the NBA players put together. Kevin Knight, good to see you. Andre M. Miller, good to see you guys. How you doing? Big Borg, good morning. Benny. Baby Genius, my man. How's it going? Marine Mike, how you doing, brother? Good to see you. Friday win. We'll see, man. I went there. Shanti, it's Friday, man. We gotta, let our hair down. How's my man bun coming, guys? You think we're well on our way or what? Marine Mike told me not to do this, but we're almost there. One day I'm just going to come on the stream and I'm going to have a... It makes that noise when you get a man bun. Every morning when you wake up, it makes that noise. Pro M's forming. You think we're going down? Yeah. I mean, we swept the low and we were continuing to roll here. So there's no reason to long here, if that's what you're wondering. Like, we got Mr. M&M here. For me, I mean, we gave the sell wall last night. I mean, if you just sold anywhere in the sell wall in the Discord, you made money. So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Gung Hei Fat Choi, whatever they say. And we haven't come and tested that swing low to swing high golden pocket yet. So kind of target for the short to come back down to the 73,000 area. However, if we like bounce out of here and we start to make some higher highs and higher lows, we can look to long it potentially up into VWAP here. But right now this is expectational order flow is down, right? We have failed to get above this. You have mitigated structure in here. And you have rolled over through VWAP. Coming for the liquidity of the lows. That's it. Keep it simple, right? Down we go. Now, if we start to bounce and, NASDAQ maybe goes up. NASDAQ doesn't look like it's going to go up right now. Then, okay, maybe we long. But this is bottom blasting, right? Like shorting here is kind of, you'd prefer to, through the VWAP here, retest short, right? Order block tap, retest short. So we wait. Patience. What's going on? Rut, good to see you, Shanti. Marie Mike short, let's go. Love from India, Eero. Stop winning, Eero. Hero's got a lot of money to trade with. All those giveaways, man. Hero's cleaning up. Buck, good to see you. Whoa, it's early for that? It's never too early, Buck. Come on, it's Friday, baby. You wake up like this. How far are we going down? 71. What is it? 71.7 I got for now. If we lose 71.7, then we're going to 68. Those are your two levels. But we shall see if this and that. Seasonality, it's weakness right now, right? I told you guys, okay? I'm not going to be the I told you so guys. But I warned everybody. I'll say that. I warned everybody that May 4th, it was the weekend. What weekend was it? May 11th. I said 10th and 11th. That is going to be, the 10th and the 11th is going to be critical. May 10th and 11th. Okay. Not bad. I said that multiple times. Okay. So what happened after May 10th and 11th is that we mitigated the low, we swept the high, and we rotated down. Okay. We failed to continue. And here we are. And you know what? It's not that bad. This is not a... I mean, you ever gone through this? Let's go over here. Whee! You ever gone through a dump like this? Oh, this was the carry trade right here. Oh my God. That was vicious. That was vicious. Even FTX was pretty vicious, but 30% dump on Bitcoin. Talk about pucker up, baby. These moves are like you never left the sandbox, right? Baby food. Either way, we don't care, up or down, all around. We're here to trade. So, like, if your hodl bags are hurting, well, maybe you should have sold a little bit more. And maybe you should wait a little longer. It's up to you. But up, down, all around, trading this thing, it's been mighty lucrative. Shorts pay, man. Look at this. Like, you get short up in our box yesterday. Look how quick you get paid. Boom. 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 So, it's nice. Key levels, the gang. I see you guys crushing it. It's good to see you guys crush it. If you do want to join the gang, $20 off your first month. Little promotion for the summer we'll keep on. Use the code VANILLA. Or don't. We'll see. Good morning, Cubanadian. What a week it's been for hype trades. Nice, man. Robert, good to see you. How far are we going down? Answered that. Good to see you. Black. Robert. DJ. Keen. Being away for a hot minute. Up north. Nice, man. Some oil money. Let's go. How's the golf game been? I shot an 87 yesterday. An 87. I left 5 birdies short yesterday, guys. Fucking 5 birdies short. Meaning, like, if this is the hole and I was putting, I left the ball short of the hole. It's not allowed on a birdie attempt. You got to finish at least a foot past the hole. Give it a chance, right? I left 5 short yesterday. But I hit some bombs yesterday. There was one hole I think I carried, like, because it was like elevated and downhill. I hit it like 320 yards. I felt like an absolute god. And I had some really good shots. I posted one of my my good friend recorded this that I played with. Here's me. Yeah, I live in the mountains, guys. Here's me after that bomb of a drive. So I think it was 310. Landed here. This is a par 4, and I got 80 yards in. Little cut. Baby. It was within like 8 feet. It was a pretty good shot. Good times. Good times. I needed a little break yesterday. If I'm being honest, I was down 7,000 this week. Now I'm down 5,000 this week. So not mad, just aware that I need to be focused. I did buy a house, and there's a lot of external stress in my life. So taking a little mindset reset. I mean, playing sports has always been the outlet of my choice, I guess you would say. Good times though, man. Good times, good company. I left that one short, yep. I left that one short, G1. And the line was so good, too. The line was so good. Oh, like if I just hit it a little bit harder, it would have been buckets, man. Thanks, Big Buck. I played pretty good yesterday. I left probably 7 or 8 shots. I had this one shot. Oh my God. So I was like, I hit a bomb drive, but this was like the hole. So it's like a mountain coming down this way. And then the flag was kind of tucked back here. And this was like the landing zone here. And there's this big fucking tree right here. And like you want to be obviously over here. I hit it right under the fucking tree. And you can't see the hole. So I like punched a 5-iron and I hit a draw and I like fucking wrapped it around and almost got it on the green. It was epic, man. It was some fun shots, man. Everybody I was partnered with were like, "What are you doing? Like just chip it out and then shoot into the green." And I was like, "Nah, watch this." And I was like, "Oh, it was good fun." Yeah, good fun. My buddy, he shot a 97, but he sunk like 2 40-foot putts, man. One for birdie. He sunk like a putt. Like honestly, it'd take me in my short ass. It would take me 2 minutes to walk how far it was. And I was good within 8 feet, like 7-8 feet. I was still putting pretty good, but in my lag putting, I didn't 3-putt much, but I just left a lot of shots on the table, man. Good to see you guys. French Toaster, good morning, bro. How you doing, Rutan? Good to see you. Happy shorts, everybody. Chocolate, good to see you. Jojo. Ben, good morning. Live trading got paid. Nice, Ben. Good job. Mojo Jojo, proof of work. Wix Wife 589. What's going on, Dusty? Good to see you. If you hold your breath and squeeze your hair grows faster. Hey, Matt, how's it going? Is Bitcoin on its way to 70? It's heading down, so technically, yes. Robert, good to see you. You did. I shorted Sui, so wondering when to cash out. You typically put in a low. I think, well, if we look at the chart, I think you typically put in a low in June. Typically. I'd have to go and look for you here. I mean, does anybody look at seasonality? When do you put in a low? When is this? Okay. Yes. When is this? June. October, July, April, May, June. Okay, no low there. June. Yeah, so seasonality 2 out of 3 times. June. I mean, this isn't small, guys. It looks small on the chart, but look. That's 40%. Do we have to talk about this one? Another 40%. I'm just saying, don't shoot the messenger, okay? Just saying. 60% odds. Don't be mad at me. I'm trading the micro penis time frames, okay? So you do whatever you want. If you need to learn about macro analysis, that's why we send you over to Piper. He does a good job after this stream, okay? You absolute legends. Just saying. You look pretty rich. Good morning, French Toaster. Marius, good morning. 585 Duality, good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Jesus, that view with the mountains, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, it's a gorgeous course. It's a gorgeous course. Kananaskis. It's called Kananaskis. It's quite a drive from me, so it's nowhere near where I live. I guess it's in the province that I live. But it's my favorite course I've played. It has the Skyrim. It feels like you're in Skyrim for one of the holes. You know that giant mountain in Skyrim? Put a 1 in the chat. You guys know it. If you guys know, you know. It's next level shit. You're on which hole is it? It's like yeah, it's this one here. Look at this flyover, guys. Look at this mountain over here. Bruh. Yeah, it's stupid. Look at that. This is the elevated tee shot. The elevated tee shot here. You're up. Right here, this shot right here coming up. Look at this. That's your par 3, guys. Fuck. Boom. It's quite long. It's like 190. But at elevation, it's only like a 160 shot. Unreal course, man. Unreal. You know, no, even if you shank it and you put it in the woods, guys, it still looks good. It's one of those courses, you know? It's one of the even if you put it in the woods, man. Feeling better, wifey? Hopefully wifey's doing okay. Andre, good to see you. You see Sam and Frodo over there, yes. They wouldn't let me come on their trip. They said my name's too offensive. I'm T. Baggins. Oh, man. It's Friday. Fred Hodge. Good to see you, Ben. Good morning. 585. What driver am I using? I use a GT2. Titleist. Ventus shaft. I hit it pretty good, man. That's the one thing. I do hit pretty well. I'm like 280, 290 carry. What's wrong with my name T. Baggins there, Andre? Only on YouTube. They asked me these guys I was paired with, they're like, what do you do for a living? I'm like, I click 2 fucking buttons and talk a lot of shit. That's all I do, guys. One of them's like, I'm in finance. I work for the Royal Bank. I'm like, I'm sorry to hear that. I told them to join the Otter Gang if they wanted. I don't think they were too impressed. I mean, I'm a carpenter on a golf course. I'm there to talk shit and have fun. Trading's hard, Andre. It's good to be here with you guys too. You know, trading is hard. It's why we started the channel, to hang out and click buttons together with people. It wasn't, you know, the Discord and all this extra shit like giveaways and exchanges. That all came. That's all within the last year or so. It's always been. It was always free. But it just got overcrowded. Like, I'm glad the channel's grown and stuff. But, you know, we're here to hang out and try to click buttons and make money together to quit our jobs, man. We don't want to go back to that shit. So I'm just grateful we're all here hanging out. Good morning, OG. Good morning, Ben. Aaron, Marius. Okay, short putting... Let's go. So we got a $2,000 giveaway today. Everybody asked, how do you participate? You just sign up with the Bitunix link. Okay, you don't have to do that. You get VIP 3, so you get the like cheapest fees that I can possibly get for you guys if you're just trading small accounts, and then you get tickets or raffle tickets for depositing money or trading. It's very simple. And then you do the draw every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Eero keeps winning. So someone needs to come and take his money too. That's it. I'm an accountant and it sucks balls. That's okay, man. That's okay. At least you're I wouldn't say this is, you know, I wouldn't say being smart helps you being a better trader. I think sometimes you have to have a certain amount of risk tolerance, but you also have to have a little bit of courage. I think courage is important with trading. Courage. Here we go. If you're not confident, you're not going to hold your trades, or you're not going to enter your trades. Sweep of the lows, bounce. NASDAQ coming down. Nice bounce and sweep. Very scammy, guys. Very scammy. I mean, still needs to come lower. I would like here. This would be like the intraday setup, but I'm not looking for an intraday setup. I mean, we got lots of scalping to do today. We're doing an extra hour today in the Discord, so we're going to do 2 hours here and then 2 hours in the Discord, which is going to be great, man. I'm looking forward to it, and thank you. I mean, I had a bunch of things to do yesterday, and then I went golfing, but thank you, Discord members, for being patient with me yesterday and not continuing to trade. Down we go, where it stops, only Solana knows. My family just got up, so I'm going to leave the coffee trade on here. I'm going to go get some more coffee because I'm out. And then we'll continue, guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please slap the like button. 250 people in here. So if you wouldn't mind slapping that like button, supporting the channel that way, that would be really cool. And we'll be right back. Coffee long?
Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it or send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the post, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Buy AlexO, all-time gang. We want slap rotation now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the boost, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Buy AlexO, all-time gang. We want slap rotation now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the boost, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. 1 or 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. 1 or 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Buy it. All tech gang gang. We want slap rotation now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0.
Send it to 0. No, it pumped initially, eh? It did push initially. I mean, pullbacks are for shorting. Damn. Pretty flaccid this morning, everybody. Ooh, good morning, Wemba fam. What's going on, Marine Mike? Daddy Trump tweeted. Oh, great. Of course he did. Of course, Harp. Good to see you, man. I mean, it's kind of uncanny. I mean, Baby Otter has to get up, and then Alex has to hear him, and then Alex wants to go get a coffee and spend time with him. It works every time. It is nice. That's why we do it, man. I mean, the fucking charts are always going to be moving, right? That's the one thing guaranteed. Charts always going to be moving. Your son being 21 months and calling a truck a dick and saying dada and giving me a hug in the morning ain't going to last forever. I'm going to enjoy every second of it. And that's why we get into trading. So we have freedom of time. Time freedom, baby. So I can go golf if I'm pissed off at the way I traded the past couple days. I can go and spend time with family. That's why we do it. Right? So when my boy gets up and I'm going to go say good morning to my wife and my son and tough shit. Okay. That's the reason. You know, you got to have your why, right? You got to have your why. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here, guys. God bless you guys. C-Train, good to see you. Wemba, good to see you guys. Andrew Cameron, good morning, man. How's the kid doing, Andrew Cameron? Andrew Cameron knows he just had a little one. Dano, what's going on? Are you preparing for a kid again too, Dano? God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Professor, I think I saw something you posted on X or something like that. Need your input on the 1 hour chart. What do I see? Bear flagging. Failure to push, really. We had the sell wall up here last night. We said we need to flip this thing. Okay, we didn't flip it. No flip. So any sort of push has been met with rejection. Obviously, order block tap in here. Right now, we're losing uptrending momentum, exhaustion in the highs. Okay, looking to come back into our golden pocket bounce level here. We do have a couple of levels of support that we've mentioned on the stream. We'll talk about the top down a little bit more, but on the hourly, you can see that we haven't lost structure yet. So structure would mean we would need to close below this low here. Okay. So we need a candle close below the low here. That would mitigate this low. And then we would look for pullbacks. It's for shorting. And we would target the liquidity of the low here. Okay. If this, then that. If this, then that. So that's your hourly, right? Your hourly is pretty simple. Failure to really, I mean, you had your break here, but you're still in a macro downtrend, right? So you had a break last night. So higher low, yes. Fail, rotation down. Bigger trend wins. Target liquidity of the lows. Major target 71.7. Makes sense? I hope so. I hope you make dollars, really. So if this, then that. We'll do more of a top-down analysis. Top of the hour. I typically do it around 9 o'clock. Once the stream's filled up a little bit. We got 300 people here on the live stream. Thank you for being here. Short sort of the play. We had a little opportunity at the start of the stream for like an order block retest continuation down, like literally right at the start. Didn't take it. Clearly losing VWAP aggressively. Retest of VWAP breaking down. Trying to find some support in here. Coming for the liquidity of the lows. Hasn't been taken yet. So if we're looking here, we're looking at this low here to be swept. No sweep yet. So a little bit of patience right now until we take this liquidity, just like yesterday. I mean, the call yesterday on the long was absolutely phenomenal. We called the long here on Solana and on Bitcoin. So great long, everybody. Absolute shocking price action, but we got the low. So like, I mean, if you were here yesterday, you caught the low with me. I mean, spoons were fed yesterday. We were waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting all day yesterday, and we long Solana. I re-entered. I got stopped out on the pullback here, so I longed here, got stopped out just barely here, and then it went off. I managed to get long in here, and then I went golfing. Made $2,000 yesterday, but we gave this low on Solana for everyone, so fucking GG's, guys. Really good trade. That doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes, you know, like, I mean, look at the move, right? Giving almost a 4% move on after the live stream. That's it's not unheard of, but it is more rare, right? It is more rare. Catching the low of the day. It was absolutely phenomenal yesterday, guys. So great job. Absolutely crushed it. Hopefully you all made a plethora of money off of that as well. Give me the spoon. DJ, good to see you. C-Train. Why Crypto Frog, good to see you. Warren, good morning. I have 4 kids. My youngest is 10 now. Those cute days are over, bro. Yeah. That's it, right? So I'm trying to soak them up as much as I can. My 7-year-old is like having 2 kids. Let's go. That's wild. Good to see you, Professor. Thank you for being here, man. Bucket listing across the USA. Nice, man. Nice. That's it's also house freedom, right? I mean, I've lived in Australia, England, Portugal, Greece. We lived in. I mean, vacation lived. You know, we traveled. Why do I seem pissed off? I'm in a great mood, man. We went golfing yesterday. Just chilling. Just chilling. I'm not even tired or anything. Do I seem pissed off today? Sorry. Would you mind thoughts on H-bar quick? Habar? I mean, it's probably having its little, it's range bound. It's range bound. You have a break here. You're looking to come back into this area here and bounce. I'm looking for a bounce in here, but Bitcoin is bearish right now, so you're swimming upstream here. Great bounce, but still, I wouldn't touch it, man. I've been watching H-bar, as you can see, but still nothing I would touch right now. Not especially, where's Bitcoin, right? Like, why are we trading? Like, besides like hyper liquid, near. Nice bounce here on Biddy. Trying to push. Altcoin narratives, not weak, but it's not going to be any better when Bitcoin's going down, right? Until we get macro reversal on Bitcoin, I don't typically touch altcoins. Okay, nice push here. Taking the lows on Solana. Bitcoin pushing back. NASDAQ climbing. NASDAQ's looking stronger here. NASDAQ all-time highs. Yeah, NASDAQ doesn't care. Who's going to go and buy crypto when NASDAQ and AI trend is, it's just ripping, guys. No one wants to buy Bitcoin. Not when they can go and buy an actual stock. Oh, this wasn't very nice, was it, guys? A little pushback here. This market's vicious, man. This market has been vicious. There's one thing we can take away. Like, I've had a down week, first down week in a while. Doesn't mean it has to be a full down week. I might get it. If I could have a $5,000 day today, that would be nice, but I ain't here to force it. Let's put it that way. You don't seem pissed off, Alex. Thanks, Alexander G. Good morning, Seymour Liddy. Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Sid, are you shorting? I'm no trades right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades every single day. Count was at 43. Almost $2,000 day yesterday. Happy days. Slow and steady, man. Battling back battling back after 2 red days to start the week. It's a short week, so obviously Tuesday was a holiday. Or Monday was a holiday. Apologies. I shouldn't have traded Monday. That's the lesson as well, because it's very choppy. Retest to previous lows, continuation down. NASDAQ into resistance here. Little pushback coming back for all the late shorts this morning. No sign of strength yet. Still waiting. Should I dump my Ondo? I mean, you should have a plan for your Ondo. We longed Ondo at 26 cents and sold at 90% gains. So, you should always have a plan before you buy anything anyways. View up, slap, rotation down. Today is your day, Dusty. Next month, SpaceX will be tradable. What do you think? I mean, I think a lot of money will rotate from the stock market euphoria, chips and AI into it. So it's going to suck up a lot of liquidity. It'd be interesting to see. Lots of hype. There's going to be a lot of rugs, though. I bet. A lot of rugs. Solana breaking down here. Top of the hour. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. $2,000 giveaway today. Should be all right. Should be all right. We got to stop Eero from winning. All you have to do is sign up and deposit with the Bitunix link. You get entered into the raffle. Pinned in the comments if you do want to sign up. Join. Support the channel that way as well. However, right now looking at Bitcoin, what can we see? Where are we looking to go? How are we looking to get there? We're breaking down, unfortunately. And there's no real sign of strength yet. You can see the 4 hours pushed back, but it hasn't really made any sort of anchor trigger wave. We're looking more into next week. This looks like clear exhaustion. Okay, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to see clear exhaustion on the screen here. Look at the wicks of the highs in here just failing to push down, or failing to push up, sorry. We had our sell wall in the Discord here for everybody to short if they wanted to last night. Trying to hold here. However, this is just bear flagging where they're selling that beautiful cider Dixons and looking to come and rotate down to probably macro lows here, golden pocket area. So impulse golden pocket's kind of the first area on my radar. If we go and zoom out here on Bitcoin, you would look from swing low to swing high here, looking for this thing to hold right around 71.7. Also, you could go down to the very low right into here and you'd be looking at 68. My only concern is the volume support down in here. So we do have quite a good chunk of volume in here for us to bounce off of. If we're going to hold, this would be pretty ideal in my opinion if we do hold here alongside with our golden pocket 786 area. Okay, so looking for the bounce here as we rotate down. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, all that good fun. Typically we find a low in June. Yeehaw! We just discussed that earlier this stream. So, weakness in the market, clear reversal structure, breakdown, retest, failure to get above our flip zone, and continuation down. Okay, potential retest of previous lows, unmitigated low, looking for that if we do push back up into this weekend. Expect, the unexpected. That's what this market is. It's Trump tweets and Dave Digital farts, whatever. It's just not very concise with how it moves because of all the volatility due to external issues. The charts will tell you which way we're going though, and however we can see exhaustion up at the highs here, exhaustion up in here. The 12-hour not ready to push back yet. It's trying. 8-hour, it's trying, but money's just coming out, right? So the long-term trend is down. The 4-hour here, same kind of deal. Money's remaining red. Rotation down here, failing to push here on the 4-hour. And you can see the exhaustion and the high is very obvious, okay? So, just weakness, right? Volume's coming in to defend the lows, but it's just met with resistance. Volume coming in, met with resistance, right? Volume coming in, boop, met with resistance, right? Big sell-off. Big sell-off, right? Volume stepping up, selling off. Boop, down we go. Volume stepping up, selling off, right? So no strength, right? No strength. And when there is strength, it's to come back and grab late shorts, right? So you can see here, where's the biggest candle? It's right here. What did this candle do? It came in and it sold on everyone's head. That's your direction, right? You don't have to complicate it too much. Even when they're trying to defend the lows here, the biggest candle is pushing it down right here. That's the sell-off right there that we got long on yesterday. So good job. Ching. Okay. So if this, then that. We treat it like a range. Our bias is mostly down. However, we can bounce within an area before continuing. So patience will be our friend. Happy Friday, everybody. 2-hour anchor trigger wave starting to print. Okay, watching the 1 hour here, been very choppy, right? So mitigation of the low, bounce potentially up, back to the top of the highs, treat it like a range. Where's our range, our highs, our lows, premium, discount, we look in here, and if we lose there, then we're looking for a sweep down into here and a bounce out. Otherwise, we're coming for the liquidity of the low. Very simple. So keep it simple, right? Right now, pretty aggressive sell-off, so potentially looking for a bounce. However, don't want to be caught with their pants down here. Would like to see structure rather than just try to catch a sweep like we did yesterday. This was good because we were patient enough to enter when we saw strength. However, a lot of the times, if you enter one of these, it just keeps going, right? So you can get absolutely decimated if you do not practice good risk management. So make sure you're being safe here. The trend is down. So be aware of that coming into today. Right now, pretty overextended to the downside. We're looking from potentially a push back up to VWAP and down. However, for now we're looking for a bounce off the golden pocket with structure. So that would be this box down below here. If we can get that structure in here, that would be great. Push and go. Who knows? All I know is I'm trying to be patient today. We got the rest of the stream and then another 2 hours in the Discord where we can, maybe cover some alts, but really just continue trading, hang out with the gang. Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you for being here and smashing like buttons. We got 350 people here. Thank you for being here. 121 likes. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. If you wouldn't mind smashing that like and supporting the channel, that would be cool. Like and subscribe. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. $2,000 giveaway today. $20 off the Discord. Hanging out. Kicking ass. Taking names. All that good stuff. Coming into that golden pocket area here. Sweep of the low. Rotation down. Rotation down. Canada's GDP came in today. Negative 0.1%. So bad. It's so bad. Canada's cooked, man. Canada is cooked. We can't even sell maple syrup anymore, man. Time to get bullish. Maybe. Maybe. 5 minutes isn't long time, but you can come back aggressive again. Who's this? What did he say? How many times are you gonna say the same things, man? Dixon's? You ever have a Dixon's there, Jesse? Is that your favorite one? Do you like Dixon's or do you like Cummins? Strong support, Dixon cider, yeah. Could smash a brekkie burrito. Nothing. Oh, I love a brekkie burrito, man. Brekkie burrito. What is the go-to? I don't know. My wife makes like these egg bites in the muffin pan. They're like circles, and they got onions, peppers, breakfast sausage, cottage cheese. Oh, so good. I'm not even going to address you right now. I'm kidding, baby genius. Oh, man. I almost banned you from the channel. Unhide user on this channel. Did he unhide? Did I fix it? Unhide? Is baby genius still here? Oh, man, he's good. Okay. I thought I actually banned you. Oh, man. Down we go. Overextended to the downside, so no trade right now. I mean, shorting here when our bounce level's right here is not smart in my opinion. We'll see. But the Discord had the shorts from up here. You guys should all be pre-rich at least. Ero's pre-rich. He's got like a whole... He's won 3... How many giveaways? 4? 4? You've made like $1,500 off the giveaways. He's not sharing either, anybody, just so you know. Just so you know, no sharing. Sharing is not necessarily caring. He's trying to build the account, baby. Discipline. Boss, wear your hat, OG one. Should I wear my OG hat? Do I look... You don't like the way I look today? How you doing? What? Am I giving your wife fanny flutters or what? Don't put me on the TV in the kitchen, okay? All right. I do have the hard hat in the garage, guys. Maybe one day I'll just wear the hard hat. Right? Fanny flutters, yeah. You never never heard the word fanny flutter, man? That's like one of the best. Oh, man. I kept telling... Every time I hit a good golf shot yesterday, I kept telling the guys to like and subscribe. I think they were getting annoyed with me, man. I was like, here, whoosh, hit it like 250, 280 drive, whatever, and just like and subscribe. Fanny flutter is actually a British term. So a fanny in North America is an ass, and then the fanny in the UK is this, right? I know it's a horrible muffin drawing. So it can get confusing. It can get confusing. But, I'll be coming into the chat. I'll be coming into the live stream with my hard hat on to next week like this. You're gonna have to turn off the TV. Your wife be watching. How you doing? It can get confusing. It can get confusing, right? Any chance you could mention actual numbers when you say it will go up or down, please, for people who can't stare at the charts and have real jobs? Yeah, so you're looking for a bounce from 73,000 right now. We're coming down trying to sweep the low. Here we go. Sweeping the low. Bounce. 9:08. 10 minutes till market opens. Still waiting. So I want a reaction out of here that is bullish. So it's not like I'm looking for a sweep and go here. Our golden pocket resides just a little bit lower, like $50 lower. But we wait. This has just been a pretty aggressive sell-off. Nasdaq's trying to make new highs. Bart Simpson-esque, though, like wants to roll over here, so we wait. Solana coming down. Yeah, we're looking to come down to 81 on Solana. Retest continuation. See if we can get a pushback here on Bitcoin, sweeping that low. Liquidity's been taken out of the low now over here, so see if we can push and go. Still waiting, though. No trade. I mean, it's a big drop if we lose 73. If we lose 73, we're all the way back down to 72.5. So market cipher looks good here on the short-term time frames, though, bottoming out 12-minute and 24. So potential for pushback here. We'll see. No trade for me. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. That was passive aggressive. Yeah. Hello, sir. I'm from India. Awesome. I'm from India too, man. I design thumbnails as well, man. Well, me and Grok do. Hello, sir. I'm from India as well. Need spoon. When long? Laurent. I'm from Canada. I live in an igloo. They call us snow Mexicans in America. We have maple syrup. We say sorry a lot. We're very passive aggressive. I have a polar bear in my backyard with my Bitcoin. Hoofed up his, you know, the ledger's up his, you know, if you wanna get it, good luck. Hockey is our only sport. Ice hockey. We don't put ice in front of hockey. We just call it hockey. We don't call it a camel toe. We call it a moose knuckle. And here we are, man. Used to be a carpenter, so I guess your relationship to thumbnails is much better. Yeah, absolutely. I've not in a long time. I mean, when I was an apprentice and stuff, I smoked my thumb plenty of times, but no issues with that. I have my drill on my desk to remind me of where I came from, okay? It still smells like heaven. I don't like this magnet bit, though. It's a bit... Yeah. Blind, mofo. It's a bit weak. It's not like you can put like a Kelly screw or something on the end of it and it'll hold. Can you show fixed range profile settings? Yeah, of course. I keep it at 400 normally. You can put it at 200 or 400. Depends on what you want out of it. Very simple, man. Sweep coming into market open here. Still no strength coming in for the market. Tapping that golden pocket now. Continuation down here for Bitcoin. Not looking good, guys. Down we go. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. GG's for the shorts. GG's. I put GG's for you guys. Oh my God. Chocolate. You're at P-Mall buying those DVDs, bro? Dr. Fleas? You're at Dr. Fleas in Rexdale? Dr. Fleas in Rexdale selling pirated Terminator movies? Is that where you're at, bro? Nice sweep. Golden pocket tap. Good risings. Do any deals on your Discord? Yeah, our first month is $20 off. Use the code vanilla. Use code vanilla. $20 off your first month. That's our summer sale. It's not the big sale. The big sale only happens twice a year. Black Friday and Jesus. Easter. Sorry. And Jesus. But yeah, we get $20 off the first month. Best Discord in all of crypto. Setup signals. 150 videos. 8 different traders. Yeah, it's the shiz. And then we live trade as well for 3 times a week with you guys. Lots of fun. I enjoy it. I mean, you got all the levels last night before bed, right? Before bed, you had the sell wall all last night. Update last night. Asia update every night, preparing you guys. Sell wall, sell. Sell, 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 sell. Buy, 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 buy. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. I think our sell wall worked out pretty well. 1, 2, 3, 4 sells. Our buy level. 1, 2, 3. I feel like Count Dracula. And that's just me, man. I mean, not to mention all the other traders. Absolute legends. Discord prints, man. Apply yourself. Learn the strategies. I show you everything I do. The best Discord in all of crypto. Otter gang. Let's go, baby. I'm buying the capitulation. Yeah. One code. I'm from India. Oh, man. That's too. Discord's a money printer. You're going to give you guys a try? You can do what you want, man. I'm just happy you're here. Yeah, it does take, I mean, just like anything, man. It's an education. There's a cost to that as well. Got to get your reps in. Hopefully we can, that learning curve. Hopefully we can get you here faster. Time in the market, man. Time and execution. It's not easy. Breaking down here. Oops, I just closed my NASDAQ chart. NASDAQ at resistance, all-time highs. Trying to push. Bitcoin trying to bounce at a golden pocket right now. Doesn't look good. Looks like lower into Friday. Friday dump. Happy to be here, though. 13 minutes to market open. We got 400 people here. What's going on, all 400 of you? In no trades. Showing the trades, taking the trades. Made 2K yesterday. Gave the long down here yesterday. It's been good. It's been good on the live streams. Trying to have a better week here. Slow and steady. See where we get to today. Shorts are printing so far. No trades on the live stream. Just waiting right now. I'd like to see buyers step up right now. Like, obviously, we've had a sell-off all morning. So it's a matter of waiting to identify strength and then maybe taking advantage of a long or jumping on trend and shorting this thing back down to zero. Either way, we're waiting. So we got 12 minutes here till market opens. Thank you guys for being here and slapping those like buttons, subscribing if you're new. We're here live every morning, trading, taking the trades, showing the account, showing the losses, showing the wins, just doing it. Nice and steady, man. So thank you for supporting the channel and all that good stuff. You guys are cool, man. Thanks for hanging out. Trading is lonely. So I get to talk shit with you guys all day. What's going on, Reggie? Good to see you, bro. Brody. I'm long or short? I mean, I'm short and long, if you know what I mean. It's all about proportions, right? Like, I'm only 5'4", but it makes it look bigger. Right? Even if it's a button on a fur coat, it still looks bigger. Oh, man, it is Friday, isn't it? Oh, fuck. Oh, man. Higher when laying down. Thanks for the numbers, Alex. Wait till you see Irish apologizing for anything originally from Poland. Whereabouts you going to Ireland later in the year? Bear Flagon, Eric. Have you ever been to Bear Flagon? It's my favorite place in Ireland. There's this pub down the street. They have this cider. It's incredible. It's called the Dixons. I'm not going to Ireland, man. I love you. Thank you for being here. It's just a running joke. Whenever we're bear flagging on the charts, my friend. Whenever we're bear flagging, right? We're always looking at the pub and going to get a cider called Cummins or Dixon's. depending on the day. Right now, this is definitely a Dixon cider. Definitely. So we'll see where she goes. I am going to England in October, though, for a wedding. Unfortunately, I have to go to the motherland of my wife for a wedding. But, you know, England's nice until it's not. Weather's miserable. People are either drunk or miserable. But I love them either way, man. I lived in England for 2 years, so I have experience. I lived in Scotland for a year as well, so. Where in England can I gate crash? Lord Otter, King Beaver. Those are my pronouns, yes. It's 30 Celsius plus this week. Yes, and you have no aircon in your whole country. You have no air conditioning, and it's 30 plus and humid. It's bloody hot. You don't even say the H in hot. Right? You say hot. Right? Except in the shops, yeah. Or stores, as we would call them. Right? You're dying. Exactly. There's no enjoyment when it's hot in England. It's called swallocks and swass. You got sweaty bollocks and sweaty ass, man. That's all you got. You're at the pub because it's the only place with aircon, but you're drinking, and then you go outside and you're a muggle because it's muggy. I do not like England when it's hot. It needs to be 15, 20 degrees. Otherwise, you bake. It's not built for hot weather. You can get a portable AC easy. Who has a portable AC in England? A posh twat, they would say. My wife's family's working class. There ain't no AC in Worcester. You would have to travel to a land far and wide in Worcester to find a aircon, okay? And it's Worcester. It's not Worcestershire, okay? America. It's not Worcestershire. Wash your sister sauce. Wash your sister sauce. You ever have washed your sister sauce? Fuck. Wash your sister sauce. Have you ever heard this like lady from Texas tries to say what's sister sauce? You go wash your sister sauce. Too good, man. You never get your wash your sister sauce? My wife's from Worcester. Right? Wash your sister. Gross. I'm from he's got a Manchulian accent. Watch out. Reggie's got a Manchulian accent. Sounds like someone pinched his nuts while he talks. Anyways, I'll stop taking the piss out of the British people, but they can handle a joke. See, my wife's British and she's cold as F. Like, I couldn't understand my wife for like years. She just hurt my feelings. But it's not like if a Brit doesn't make fun of you, they don't like you, man. Like, that's 100% true. Like, if they're not taking the piss, you probably should be worried. They probably don't like you at all. Like, when I went to my wife's friend's wedding in England a couple years ago, the first thing this guy came up to me and said, he's like, "You're a good-looking C-word, aren't you?" I'm like, "Thanks, man. Nice to meet you." It's called banter, exactly. I mean, I love it now. Like, I take full participation trophy awards with it now. I remember at the wedding, too, they go, "Is everybody that short in Canada?" I was so pissed. He was so drunk. "Is everybody that short in Canada?" He calls it. He's so hammered. It was so funny. Guys, this thing's just dumping, man. There's no setup here. 4 minutes. Have you seen my sister? Liverpudlians. Man, sound like they're holding their noses, yeah. Nothing worse than a Scouser accent, though. My God. A Scouser accent's next level. Scouser and Glaswegian. You can't... It's like a mouthful of marbles. Mouthful of marbles. Glaswegian. I mean, living in Scotland, I lived in Edinburgh, but like, you run into a Glaswegian, you're like, you think they're retarded or something, like straight up. Scouse is awful, yeah. One of my good friends is from Colne. It's pretty northern. Colne is pretty northern accent. He's kind of hard to understand too. But I mean, you travel half an hour and the language changes basically in England. I'm Scouse. Cheers. Let's go, Jojo. You have a Geordie accent? You had one. Oh, okay. Yeah, Geordie is pretty bad. Crypto Jacker's a Glaswegian? Oh, fuck. We're in trouble, guys. Run. Go and watch some YouTube videos of a Glaswegian accent. Fucking. They'll say something, blah, 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 and then they'll go, aye. And you're just like, huh? It's the I at the end. Look at you. I? Like, I don't know what you said, man. On your bike. On your bike, you nambe pambe. Love it. Love it. Culture's cool, man. Coming into market open. We got 1 minute here, guys. Down only. Oh, I hate... No trades right now, guys. Still waiting. This thing's been... I mean, I guess this pullback, retest of previous lows, continuation down here would have been the short, but it's been a... It's been a long one. A long trickle down. I had a girlfriend that was down on me. Pretty cool times. Yeah. It's get on your bike. Yeah. On your bike's one of my favorite ones. On your bike, you tosser. Love it, man. You can't beat it. Here we go. Markets open, everybody. SPY. SPY into the purple zone here. Gap up. Boom. Off we go. Big gap up here for the SPY. Gonna get rid of my big purple box here, guys. The big purple box. Gap up here. Bitcoin rolling over still. Still a constant bid here for the S&P and the NASDAQ. NASDAQ flying off the wazoo. Bitcoin rolling over. Nasty, nasty, nasty. No real strength here for Biddy. Coming down right now. Downtrending momentum. No sign of strength as of yet. Coming into like our... into our 786, I guess you would say. If we go swing low to swing high, 786 bounce level. I would suggest liquidity here. 786 level here, potentially bouncing here, but rolling over quite aggressively this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We got 430 people here talking smack. It's a Friday, baby. Happy Friday. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Thank you for hanging out with me. Let's see if we can find anything today, guys. It's been a bit of a shite show, but we'll see. NASDAQ doesn't care. NASDAQ just fucking up only. Crazy. NASDAQ flying. Bitcoin dying. Very contrarian, to say the least. Solana rotation down as well. We cut the Solana low yesterday. We'll see if we do get some violence today. We had plenty of violence yesterday, but we were able to take advantage of it. Let's see how it goes. For now, thank you, everybody, for slapping that like button. We got 430 people in here and only 160 likes. Kind of lame, guys. You guys can do better than that. I'm going to go trade live in the Discord for a couple hours today after the stream. We'll see where we get to today, guys. Thank you for being here. Ladies and gentlemen. Mostly gentlemen. You guys are such gentlemen in here. Might have to add view up extension. Yeah. Overextended to the downside. Standard deviation 2.5. Happy Friday. Yeehaw. Let's go, Mojo Jojo. Thank you for being here, bro. T Jenny. Thank you for supporting the channel as well, Sultan. Dusty. What's going on, Johnson? How you been, man? Good to see you. Been a while. Wemba. Dang. Up only. Up only. Down only for Bitcoin. Jeez, massive sell-off. Still waiting here. Thank you guys for smashing those likes. I appreciate it. $2,000 giveaway today. Sign up with the Bitunix link in the pinned comments, guys. Or don't, and keep giving all your money to Eero. He keeps making all the money. He doesn't even know what to do with it. It's going to expire before he can use it all. It's wild. What's a namby-pamby? It feels so good to say it. Google it, man. And I think it's a namby-pamby with an N. Bloody marvelous. Thank you. Been traveling a bit? Nice, man. NASDAQ up only, yeah. Are you going to open a trade live? Always. I typically take at least 1 to 3 trades per live stream. We took 3 yesterday, 2 the day before. We caught the low yesterday on Solana right here. Whew. Yeah, that's kind of the point. Not trying to be a smart ass and just if you're new here, welcome. That's what we do. We click buttons, we show you the trades, we take the trades, trying to make crypto honest again, show you the account, compounding the account. Slowly but surely depositing it into the bank account, showing you the proof every single day. That's what we do here. Thank you for being here. Big old rollover here for Biddy. SPY cooling off. NASDAQ coming right back down. Big old pump and dump. Retest to previous highs. Breakout continuation in here. No trade right now. Waiting. Bitcoin continuing to roll over. 786. Looking for a potential tap down here. Just aggressive, guys. So continuation. Just continuation. All morning. No real... no full direction here. VIX is coming down quite aggressively too into the summer, right? So we can see VIX is rolled over. Okay, suggesting lower volatility, meaning moves take a little bit longer. Typically does happen seasonality-wise in the summertime. right? Sell them and go away is for real. A lot of people just want to enjoy their summer, not trade, right? That's cool. I don't blame them. I want to make money though. That's what I want to do. You enjoy your summers when you're rich. We got work to do. That's how I look at it. I mean, if you can sacrifice for a 5-10 year, put that stuff on the back burner, you enjoy the rest of your life quite nicely. It's time to make some hay, baby, before this world goes to AI, whatever, man. You got Optimus wiping your ass in 20 years. Let's make it now so we can have 15 Optimuses. One giving the back massage, one giving the foot massage, one cutting the lawn, one holding your beer, one walking your dog. Or you can have the Wish.com Optimus that comes and hands you a drink and punches you in the eyeball. Gives you a black eye. Here's your drink, sir. Piece of shit. Retest the previous lows. I can't wait. Like 20 years from now, there's going to be like death by robot posts and stuff. Like, robot goes to hand man broken glass and cuts his throat. Like, it's going to be bad, man. There's going to be some errors, like some bad errors. And it's going to be like, we should have just been Mennonites. Nice push, man. Not in a key level, though. Strength coming in here. NASDAQ ripping. Friday push. Always concerning. Breaking that downtrending momentum. Nice push out here. There's going to be some, Summer is overrated. That's it. Bitcoin pushing. Coming back for all the late shorts. Wrecking them all. What's going on, JR Prince? Good to see you. Good to see you. Cool. It's true, man. Some people are going to have like the high-end robots. Some people are going to have these like, I don't know. It's a lie. This candle's a lie. At least we're going to have a decent orb today, guys. Look at that. Half decent. Orb was really good yesterday. NASDAQ climbing. SPY climbing. Solana sweep. And down. Into resistance for Bitcoin. Continuation down. I have a dog walker. It's me. Yeah. What's going on, Josh? Timu robots, sir. Yeah, man. It's gonna be some funny shit coming out in the news. I'm suing because instead of grabbing the toilet paper, I went outside and grabbed the sandpaper. Eek. It thought my wife was a burglar, so it kicked her. Oh, man. Gave the wife the Sparta kick as she enters the door with groceries. NASDAQ, constant bid. SPY, constant bid, guys. This is bullish. Bitcoin coming back down. Potential wick test here. 5 minutes to orb. Considering a long here. See if we can push. Still waiting. Looking for this high to be tapped right here. Push and go here. Something like this. Up to VWAP. Potentially. If it runs. Still waiting here. NASDAQ continues to climb, SPY climbing. Solana back down. Same kind of deal on Solana. Can it push? A little bit lower. Come on. Still waiting here. Waiting for weakness to come in here. NASDAQ and SPY. There it is. Okay, a little bit of weakness. Oh, here we go. Strength. I'm long. See if we can push up to at least back up this candle. My invalidation's underneath this low right here. It's not down here. I just threw this on to have it there in case we roll. I will slide this up to here though once we start pushing. There we go. Nice push. TP1 hit. Nice and steady today, guys. Stop loss to entry. See if we continue here. Halfway down the candle, retest continuation trade, overextended to the downside. Looking to come into VWAP here. See if we can follow through. Coming into these highs here. Next TP. See if we can get some follow through here. Quarter position size. More just a participation trophy today. We're going to be doing a lot of live trading with the Discord too after this, so I don't want to just get ahead of my skis today. Just nice and steady. Good patience there on that long. See if we can follow through here, guys. Looking for that V-shaped recovery. Tons of liquidity to come back and take here. NASDAQ showing strength. We'll see if we do follow through. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out. GG's in the chat. We could add here, but I'm happy with that. I didn't want to go full port. This is like B+ setup, but I'd like to see if we do get that follow through. NASDAQ showing signs of strength here, so we might get going here. Potentially. I mean, lots of liquidity. Let's see where the counter trade is really if we are going to follow through. Obviously, we're looking to go into VWAP. Then we go swing low to swing, or swing high to swing low. Impulse move down to here. So we're going to include this level as well. Golden pocket 786 resistance, including in VWAP here. So that's going to be major for us to get above and get going on. See if we can follow through here. NASDAQ, no signs of slowing down here. Still up, still up. Nice, nice, nice. Continuation, continuation. Orb is in, everybody. Okay, so now we got orb high to contend with here. Support and resistance flip here. So candle close above here, still bullish. Continuation. See if it can follow through. New camera? No. I got a Sony ZV-1. Push. Poor continuation here. Orb high. Poor follow through. I mean, this is like this now. Easy peasy. See if it does want to follow through. Nasdaq climbing. SPY cooling off a little bit. Not much, though. Doji above the highs. Continuation, hopefully. 1 minute left on this candle. This is the only candle I'm concerned about. If this candle can close above my support and resistance line here, then I'm happy days. Here's your second wick test. Continuation here. $30 seconds on this candle. Can I push through? Go be free. TP2 hit. Let it run. Great trade, everybody. Great trade. Now it's a runner. Pretty easy trade, guys. Quick 130. Very good. Very good momentum trade. Good job, everybody. Salute. Happy Friday. I mean, I went quarter position size. I didn't hammer it. 200,000 position size rather than 800, which is fine. It's always good, man. It's always good to end the week on a positive note. No over trading. It's a good little momentum continuation trade. You got the sweep into golden pocket here. You have aggressive candles coming out, pushing out, grabbing liquidity. You have a retest of previous highs. You have NASDAQ and SPY on your side, ripping to the upside. You have tons of liquidity to come back and target. At minimum, you're looking to target this high. You got to front run that high like we always talk about to get paid. That's why we had it there. Look at that. That's a perfect front run, as we can see. Perfect front run of the liquidity of the high, right? Look at that, right? You get paid. If you have it up here, you don't get paid. Okay, we talk about that a lot, right? You front run that high just so that, you know, sometimes it doesn't go up there, right? Sometimes it'll go and just fake you out and then come back and your TP's here and you're looking for the sweep. You don't get it, and then now you're pissed because you didn't get paid. Okay, it's a very good example of that trade. So if your take profits are here and here, that's your key level. Front run it a little bit, especially if you're trading size, guys. If you're trading bigger size, you want to get filled. Okay, insert rude joke. But yeah, it's important to understand. Well, that's basic liquidity, right? You got to understand basic liquidity. It's like the market not necessarily coming for this high yet. And it may, like, it doesn't mean it doesn't come for the high. It means, like, if you want to get paid here versus, 15 minutes later and sit through whatever drama in your brain is going on in here, then do that. It's up to you. I like getting paid. I don't know about you guys. GG's, everybody. We're so pre-rich. Let's go. Old man, question for you. Why does YouTube close seemingly randomly when I try to minimize the screen when it's jumping between charts and YouTube on my phone? Sometimes it minimizes, sometimes not. On your phone. it should just minimize. It shouldn't close. It should just go into the corner or whatever, into the small screen on your screen. However, if you do open up like another video app, it may close it. I'm not 100% sure, Golden Child. Eros absolutely ripping the free money. Okay, stop dead and profit. Happy days, stop dead and profit. On to the next trade, guys. You need to enable picture in picture. There you go. I'm not sure where that is. Rejection at top of the orb, rotation down. NASDAQ climbing still. SPY climbing still. I feel like on Fridays, the NASDAQ and the SPY climb to put in like a pillow buffer for Donald Trump tweets. Like this is all like, okay, if we can push it higher, then we can prepare for the tweet. Right? Nice sweep of the low. Can it bounce? Rejection of the highs here on Solana too. Not looking good. If the SPY and the NASDAQ roll over, Bitcoin's doomed, man. That's all I gotta say. Solana holding here, no trade. Still looks weak. Still looks weak. Right, like really aggressive candles out, grabbing the liquidity of the high, rotation. I would look for 81. I'd look for this on Solana. If we're going to go up. I mean, still good liquidity up here to come and take. Major resistance here. Liquidity here. And that low. Okay. Yeah. Lower. Down we go. SPY looking weak here. Yeah, overextended. Android problems. Yeah. Going short on Bitcoin. This is a different world, even from last year's on futures trading. Yeah, it's the mark. Like the key is like you got to be able to adjust. Like 4 years in, I have not seen every kind of market, right? But there's only so much you can do, right? Either you're trending. Your range bound. Your volatility is up. Your volatility is down. So it means when we're doing either one of these, is it moving fast or slow? Right? When it's really high, you got to accommodate the volatility for it to stop you out. So you got to use less money, but you'll make the same amount of money because it's moving more. That should make sense. If it's moving less, you can use normal money, and it'll get there eventually. You'll still make the same amount. Okay. Then you have bear and bull markets, right? Bear and bull markets, right? BBs. Okay, right? And then you have sectors, right? So you have AI taking off right now. Right? Crypto's kind of on the back burner. Right? Who's gonna go and buy Bitcoin when you can go and buy whatever, Micron? You bought Micron this morning. You're up 6% already. Who the F wants to trade Bitcoin when you can go over here, press buy on Micron, and just do this? Right? AMD, Marvel, like all of these. Look at, I've shown this a million times. Who wants to go and trade our shit coins? I mean, you can go, and I mean, for me, it doesn't really matter. I'm scalping, so as long as we got some volatility. Oh man, my mouse just died, guys. Good thing I'm not in a trade. Otherwise, I'd have to wish.com this thing. Let me go get my charger. Plug it in, plug it in. What was that? That was a plug-in commercial back in the day. The good old commercials. Little bounce here. Weakness on the... starting to round, right? Whenever you're starting to round, you got the push, rounding. Rounding typically returns to where it started. Doesn't necessarily mean it's done. It just means you got to watch for this one right there, right? This one. That's the one you watch for. Chop, chop, chop. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 400 people. Not even 200 likes. Giveaway today. Should be fun. You guys are all gonna lose your lunch to Eero anyways. You're just here to take your money. Good father, trader, teacher, persona. Also uses a wireless mouse. I mean, Tradefly sent me this mouse. This mouse is awesome, bro. It's like the Cadillacs of mouses. Mouses of mice. Glade plugins. I pressed that like. Let's go. Glade cancer creators. That's what those are. Those are cancer spreaders in your house. You ever go into someone's house and they got that thing that like queefs on you as you enter the door? It just goes, and it shoots like queef juice at you as you're trying to like just walk in the house because they just must be blowing farts all day that they have to have one of these like things that just absolutely muff dust you right as you enter their house, right? Like, it's so gross. It's right? It is. We let our hair down on Fridays, guys. If you're new here, welcome to Friday, baby. Walk in the house and just, it's like worse than the Kool-Aid man. It's just like, oh yeah. Right? All over your face. Right? Behave yourself, guys. Because I'm not. Someone has to. Those things are horrible, though, man. You guys know what I'm talking about. They're like those things people put and they just psh, 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 and they They don't even say hello. They just go right in your face, unannounced. My God, NASDAQ. Why don't we just long the NASDAQ, guys? We just forget about Bitcoin. What an absolute gong show Bitcoin is. NASDAQ. This is ridiculous. Even the IGV's up, man. Bitcoin's just here. The moment you long, it collapses. That's it, right? I mean, we're great trade. Micron ripping too. You should have longed it 1 month ago. I mean, I bought heavy in October, so you guys can go back and look in October. I mean, I gave you guys the levels on Google and stuff like that. NVIDIA, all that stuff. So I bought Marvel, MU, ALAB, ASML, EOS, TSM, Palantir, ARM, Google. I mean, we had the levels. Here's your levels that we had for Google. 279. What are we up on our Google? 36%. I was back in March, April. Yeah. Good times. We have a good orb here, guys, but we're stuck in the middle of the orb. No real sense of direction. NASDAQ just climbing, slowly chopping. A little bit of exhaustion here on the SPY, but really no trade right now. One good little scalp, but kind of having to force it here, which I don't necessarily like. So we're gonna go do the lucky draw here. Might as well give some money away. $2,000 on a Friday. It's a big day. Friday's a good day. Let me find it here. There it is. Here's the link for the giveaway if you need it. Let's see. $2,000 today, guys. Are you on a brokerage for equities? I just use Wealthsimple in Canada, man. For my stocks. Lucky draw. Let's do a giveaway here, guys. Let's go, baby. Round 3, fight. $500 to start it off. Let's go, baby. Gang, gang, gang. 5YLCIN for babe. RM, congratulations, man. $500 instantly. Here we go again. RM, congratulations. GG's, my man. GG's. GG's.
What you know about juice? Making them moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building
KNO, congratulations. Tuta nota. And $1,000 giveaway. Let's do it. The Big Dirty. The Big Dirty. 6GZs. Is that a Z or is that a Z? I think it's a Z. Let's go. Risk Engine. Congratulations on your $1,000 futures trading bonus. Let's go, baby. Congratulations, everybody, on your winnings. GG's, everybody. GG's. $1,000. $5,000 every week, man. Wednesdays, Thursday, Friday. Sign up, deposit. Free money. Free money, man. Who doesn't like free money? NASDAQ rotation down. This is the warning sign for Bitcoin, right? Warning sign? Warning sign. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto does have a creepy toe. If you know, you know. It's a true story. Down we go. All right. It's Friday. That's enough out of me. Let's go over to the Discord, everybody. Thank you so much. What a wonderful week, everybody. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel, hanging out. Some really good trades this week. Grateful for you guys being here and supporting the channel. Enjoy your weekend. Touch some grass. Touch some ass. Whatever you're into, guys. A hell of a funny stream today. Thank you guys for being here and having a good time. God bless you. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over except.